Hey friends, I moved last month and I finally have my new studio set up, so I wanted to give you all a little tour. So it looks like this when you walk in. It's nice and neat and open, which kind of gives me space in my mind to be creative and productive. So I have my custom desk here, which I built from some leftover and reclaimed kitchen cabinets. So I got these from a reclamation center. They were from a kitchen demo, but they're still perfectly good. They have lots of storage in them, and so I set 3 of them up and then added a top to create my custom desk. I have 2 spaces here to put a machine or to sit with my laptop, to digitize or send emails. I have my brand sign up here, have my color wheel. A lot of people think it's pretty funny that I have a color wheel, but it's really useful to have around when I'm designing or picking thread colors for a design to know which colors are complementary. I have a mannequin in the corner. I like to display a project that I completed recently. Kind of reminds me that I'm good at what I do. Keeps me motivated. Then I have a little cozy corner here with a moon chair just to kind of hang out on, maybe when I'm doing social media or just need a break from the desk. This cart right here has all of my scissors and tools that I use daily and my ruler. And then over here I have some more supplies. I have my ready-made stock on this clothing rack. So these are all items that are completed and ready to be sold. So it's easy to pick them from this rack when I get an order in online. Over here I have my thermal printer to print labels when I need to ship an order. I have more storage on this rack, my stabilizers, one of my embroidery machines, my heat transfer vinyls, my heat presses, and some projects and fabrics at the top. And then I set up my beautiful threads over here so I can easily access any color that I need and see all the colors that I have available. So that's basically it. My studio space. Thanks for joining me.